Hello everybody, welcome back. C-Ray Tech here. So in today's video I want to be showing you guys the awesome FPV F100. This thing lives up to its name. It is truly awesome. It has been a blast to fly. This thing's throwing 2-inch props. It's got a sort of proprietary flight controller setup. I believe it's like 20 by 30 millimeters. It's a weird form factor, but it has the flight controller has a built-in VTX. It has OSD. It's F3. I believe it's Omni too. It's got a 3-pin Molex for your Pico connector, maybe. I'm not sure. I can't remember what those are called, but it's got one for your camera and your receiver right there in the front, which is nice. I gotta adjust this camera. It's loose and falling out, but this one came without a receiver, so I put in the FR Sky. I think this is an XM Plus. This has got a little IPEX connection for the antenna, so you're going to definitely want to make sure when you take this out of the box that is secure before you start flying. Mine was not, so I just went ahead and plugged it in, double checked it. Haven't had any issues since, but that was one thing I wanted to look out for. This is running a JST, red JST plug, so you can update this to an XT30 connector. Most of my 2S batteries have XT30 connectors, so I'll probably be upgrading this one to that. It's got a 2-point LED array in the back, which is pretty cool, and I believe that you can program it. So yeah, this thing is awesome stuff. I have been flying this. You can check out some flight footage I had uploaded previously on this bird, so I won't be including any DVR into this, but I will definitely throw a card up in the top. I'm also going to list the full specs right here so you guys can see them, so you know everything about this, all the details, and in case I missed anything. But yep, this is available at hobbycool.com. Very nice stuff they have over there. I've recently received quite a bit of stuff from Hobbycool. I really appreciate it, and I've been really impressed with everything they've sent so far. So yeah, definitely check this out. Stay tuned. I'm going to be having a video coming up for the awesome FPV Bobi 115. It's 115 millimeter, 2.5-inch prop micro, and that thing is great. I mean, it's very similar to this one, but it does have its distinct advantages. So stay tuned for that video coming up, and I hope everybody has a good one. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. And as always, fly safe and fly often.